Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video I want to show you about the quiz app that I have created with the Flutter. Now let me show you about the result that I got with the Flutter already. Okay, good, cool. I run it already in the emulator, and here is the questions that ask you, and these four button is the result that you have to choose your answer to submit to this app. Okay, now let me choose the answer. Okay, how many country, or I choose this one here, and or I choose this one, choose this one. Okay, when you click the when you submit your answer with this button, it bring you to the next questions that you can see my demo here. Okay, I choose this one, choose this one here. Okay, choose this one and this one, this one. Okay, now it out of the questions, I have created only 10 questions, and my answer is correct only 9 questions. And when it out of question, it bring you to the this screen, this result screen, and you can restart the quiz, or you can stop do the quiz. It's up to you. Okay, now let me restart for you. Okay, it bring you to the first questions that I show you. Okay, thank you guys for watching, and please recommendation and suggestion for me for my first project. Thank you.